Good morning, guys. It's Monday morning. So this week is a really busy week. I'll try to record as much as possible. But basically this week is the Frieze Seoul. So there is a lot of things to do. There will be a lot of events in Seoul. Basically Frieze is an international art fair, and this is the Seoul version. So this week is about to be quite busy on our hand. This morning I already have a meeting at 10. I know it's not super early, but I have to go to the Enda's hotel so I can see the person, and it's for a future project. It's not even for Frieze actually. But anyway, come with me. I got the Samsung Galaxy Ring. So in the morning my hands are pretty puff. So sometimes I cannot put the rings. Let me take my caramel macchiato. Okay, let's go. These days is the rainy season in Korea. So this morning I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take the motorcycle. I'm not even joking. I'm going to take this motorcycle and go to work. And my wife sent me a text message. Hey yo, it's raining too much. So I had to take a car. Actually, I really don't like rain. I think like rain and snow are two big problems for me. So I'm about to park, and after I can join the team. So where should I go? Oh, okay. Shoot. So in Korea, everyone has his phone number on the car. So in the case I will not be well parked, someone will be able to call me. I think I'm well parked, but we never know. So I'm going to the lounge, I guess. Okay, so I just arrived to the office, but I forgot my caramel macchiato that I took this morning. The car was shaking so much that it's totally good for me. So it's midnight 34 and I'm finally going home. It was a long day, to be honest, but it was fine. Like, I don't know. So tomorrow is a big day, and let's try to have everything figured out. Okay, gotta make my backpack now. You have one shoes in my food. Gotta take this. Today I have no design job to do, so I don't need to take the other laptop. Most of the things are TGI stuff. Glasses. Glasses. You want to know something funny? I forgot to bring salt. So on lunchtime I need to go buy some salt. Then it.
So right now I'm going to pick up steamer for the denim pants. Wearing mine tightly, but wearing it. So the taxi driver should be there soon. Actually, I don't know if it's coming by taxi or by delivery car. As I was saying this morning, in Dongdaemun there is fashion and art, and I think maybe every summer, like I haven't really checked, there is some photographer coming and taking in photo, like either children like those ones, or even some people with some look come here to have their photo taken. So as you can see, parents are preparing. It's literally like just coming here and have your photo taken for some magazine or other things like this. So if you have a fresh look and you think you can get photographed like this guy over there, you should come. Try. Maybe some people will take some photo of you. So here you have all the photographers, and there's the lady sit on the, don't know if you can see the lady, but anyway.
Well, I'm just a little frustrated. Like, some people call it writer's block, and I want to make a lamp, because sometimes when I don't know what to do with myself, I make a lamp, and it's like a metaphor. Lights turn on, and I figure out what to do.
Bye 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 bye.
There'll be 5, but you already know that 1 is not the actual.
Yeah, manager.
Right, yeah. 4.
Okay, now I'm heading to the Burberry event. I need to get the elevator. While they're doing the test, me getting some Starbucks. And as every champion, caramel macchiato. I fucked up. They start to go around, but I'm in the Starbucks. That's not cool. From me, I am so in trouble. But I was really thirsty. So now we're going to see the billboard for the Stussy pop-up. So I gotta check how it looks like. It's actually 11. So let's see how it's looking. I'll take a video and then I can go. I don't know when it's starting. Does this mean I need to wait 20 minutes or what do you think? Yeah, she could stop anywhere. Anywhere.
Thank you very much, brother.
Thank you.
Have a good night, guys.
Pull up.